Travel Turtles. Follow us. A regular British family around the world. Experience the beautiful towns of England and Wales. Explore some of the best tourist spots in Europe. See some of the most beautiful landmarks. Take a dip into the various waters of the world. And travel further with us into the depths of Thailand, Mauritius, and Costa Rica. With guided tours through hotels of all of the places we've stayed, there's no end to our catalogue. So join us, Travel Turtles, as we embark on our lifetime adventure across the world.